Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth looks at the latest gadgets. Today, we've got something handy for those who love home theater setups. The VIVO Universal Adjustable Ceiling Projector Mount. If you're into projectors, you know that getting the perfect angle and positioning for your projector can be a bit of a challenge. But don't worry, VIVO's got you covered with this universal projector mount. First off, this mount is a universal fit. It's designed to work with the majority of projectors on the market, and that includes mini projectors, too. The only thing to note is that you might need to remove the extension arms for mini projectors. Also, make sure the distance between the mounting holes on your projector's back is 12.5 inches or less. Let's talk about strength. This mount is a heavyweight champ, made entirely of high-grade steel. It can handle projectors weighing up to 30 pounds. So, whether you have a compact projector or a larger one, your valuable equipment stays safe and secure. Now, here's where it gets interesting: adjustability. This mount offers a fantastic range of motion. You can tilt it from +15 to -15 degrees, swivel it from +15 to -15 degrees, and rotate it a full 360 degrees. That means you can find the perfect viewing angle for you and your guests. Hate bulky setups? No problem. This mounting system keeps your projector just 6 inches from the ceiling surface. It's a low-profile solution that blends well with most home and office environments. Plus, it comes in a clean white powder-coated finish. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the quick-release hooks. Just tighten or loosen the mounting bolts to attach or detach your projector. And don't worry, all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions are included for a smooth assembly process. So, in summary, the VIVO Universal Adjustable Ceiling Projector Mount is your ticket to the perfect projector setup. It's compatible with most projectors, it's built tough, offers extensive adjustability, and it's super easy to install. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech goodness. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your feedback and suggestions mean the world to us. So, drop your comments down below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep those projectors shining bright.